In this video, I will show you how to get monetized on YouTube. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get monetized and start making money on YouTube, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to youtube.com. From here, you need to come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see your profile icon up here. Give that a click and make sure you're logged into the correct account. If not, you can come down to switch account down here. Now, from this menu, what you're going to want to do first is come down and click onto YouTube Studio, which is going to take you into your studio. From here, come across to this menu on the left-hand side, and what you want to do is click here where it says Earn. And what that's going to do is take you across to a page like this. So as you can see, it says become a partner, join the YouTube partner program to earn money, get creator support and more. So you've got a number of different ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel. You can, for example, set up memberships, you can set up shopping, or you can share products across your channel. You can also learn more about supers. So this is kind of like donations. When people send you a super thanks, they can give you a small donation. But of course, the main ways are watch page ads and of course, shorts feed ads. That's sort of the main ways to get monetized and make money from YouTube. Now, to actually go ahead and get monetized from this page, if you actually scroll down a bit, you're going to see the requirements to apply for the partner program. So at the time of recording, you can see currently you need to have 1,000 subscribers and at least one of the following criteria, which is either 4,000 public watch hours within the last 365 days or 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. Now, once you've met those requirements, you can click the button here to email me, and what they're going to do is send you a quick email once you've met those requirements saying you can apply for the program. Now, in addition to this, you need to also make sure that you've enabled two-step verification on your channel and that you do stick to the community guidelines for YouTube. Of course, if you don't follow these, you're not going to be eligible to join. But once you've done that and you submit your application to join the partner program, what they're going to do is a quick channel review, and basically they're going to check if your channel follows YouTube's channel monetization policies, which, as you can see, there is a link here. So if we click onto this, you can actually read through the policies yourself to see if your channel would be eligible to get monetized. So of course, you want to make sure that you do meet these policies and guidelines in order to join the partner program and get monetized on YouTube. So that is a quick overview on how to get monetized on YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.